In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana in 2026. Asana is a powerful project management tool that can help streamline your tasks, collaborate effectively with your team, and keep everything organized in one place. Whether you're new to Asana or you've been using it for a while and want to make the most of its latest features, this guide is here to help you navigate through it with ease. First things first, let's start by logging into your Asana account. Head over to the Asana website and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Asana will guide you through the setup process, prompting you to enter your details and verify your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Asana homepage, which might feel a bit overwhelming at first. Don't worry, it's designed to give you a quick overview of your projects and tasks. Now, let's dive into creating your first project. In the left-hand menu, you'll see a button labeled New Project. Clicking it will offer you several templates to choose from, tailoring to common needs like marketing campaigns or product launches. Choose a template that suits your project or start from scratch. Give your project a name and decide if you want it to be a list or a board. A list will display tasks in a linear way, while a board offers a more visual approach with columns. Customize these settings to fit your workflow. Once your project is set up, the next step is to add tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of any project in Asana. To add a task, click on Add Task and enter the task name, due date, and assign it to a team member if you're working in a group. You can also add subtasks, which are smaller actionable items within a larger task, to break down complex tasks into manageable parts. To make collaboration smoother, start by inviting team members to your project. In the project view, click on the Invite button in the top right corner. You can invite them via email or by sharing a project link. Once added, team members can view the project, contribute to tasks, and stay updated on progress through notifications. Lastly, to keep track of what's being done, tap into the Timeline view. This feature provides a visual representation of your project's schedule and helps you adjust deadlines and dependencies easily. It's particularly useful for complex projects with multiple overlapping tasks. To summarize, Asana is your digital workspace for organizing projects and tasks, enhancing team collaboration, and increasing productivity. With this guide, you should have a good start on managing your projects efficiently using Asana's tools and features. Thank you for tuning in today and happy organizing.